Meghalaya sports history reached a new milestone as the first ever climbing wall was inaugurated during the 6th Meghalaya Games. Muda Chairman Wailat Miki Shilla accompanied by other state officials. The event, a collaborative effort by the Meghalaya State Olympics Association and the Meghalaya Sports Climbing and Mountaineering Association, aims to boost the state's climbing potential, leveraging its natural topography. Shilla encouraged participants to embrace the opportunity and strive for success, hoping to make Meghalaya a powerhouse in sports.
I think this is also one of the history to be remembered in the days to come. That we were present in the inauguration of the first climbing wall during the 6th Meghalaya Game. So you have got this opportunity. So my request is, please don't waste it. Work hard.
65th Revival Conference